Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. For this week's video I thought it was time to bring back an old friend, and that is the random species generator found on the website ranjan.co.uk. Like I said, this website contains a random species generator, creating for you a whole new species with very detailed descriptions and very hard names to pronounce. And the plan is I will use this website to create a whole new species and bring them to life in a full illustration. In the past I already made 2 videos using the species generator. If you want to see those videos again, you can check them out here. And now it's time to meet our new character, so let's turn around the camera, go to the website, create a whole new species and bring it to life in a full illustration. Let's go! Okay, so this is our random species generator, and as I'm scrolling down here you can see the generate button. So let's click on it and meet our new creature, and it's called the Night Recople. It's a unique toric invertebrate with a triangular head and a medium length antenna and a pointed snout filled with blunt teeth. Cool! It has a very long neck and it has 2 long weak arms. It has a protruding ribcage, which is very odd for an invertebrate I think, with a droopy stomach, a banded waist and a streamlined lower body. It has 2 long powerful forelegs and 2 elongated thick back legs and no tail. The Recouple's body is covered in very thin skin beneath thin mucus, while its legs are covered in tendrils. It has the markings of a leopard in mottled brown and deep yellow. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to get a softer lead to finish these lines and to add more details. Are done, it's time to kick in the final phase of this drawing, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made using this random species generator, and if you want to see me do more of these, please let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!